Feels great to be home. I'm just back from Munich. Now let's go take a look at what I saw. Munich is one of my absolute favorite cities. I've had a chance to visit the city 15 or 20 times over the last 10 or 12 years, and I've really gotten to know the city very well. In this video, I'll take a look at a few of my favorite spots and talk a little bit about their history. The first place we're going to visit in this video is called the Eisbach, which is German for ice river. And as the river enters the English Garden from the downtown area, it takes a jump. It creates this place called the surf wall, which is extremely popular with surfers surfing that wave. The water in the Eisbach is very cold. It moves very quickly. It's not all that deep, but it is dangerous. People have drowned there, and the city of Munich has talked about closing the river to surfers and kayakers. But the people have fought back. They love this spot. They're super protective of it. And since 1972, they've been surfing this wave, and it's been legal since 2010. There are at least two more smaller waves downstream in the English Garden, but what's the point? They're a lot more modest. Might as well go to the best one, which is right here. Munich is both the largest city and the capital of the state of Bavaria in Germany. About 13 million people live in Bavaria. And adjacent to the capital of Bavaria is a beautiful park called the Hofgarten. And at the center of the Hofgarten sits the Temple of Maria and its piano. And it's one of my favorite places to visit in Munich and to sit and relax. Marienplatz is Munich's main city square. It's about 850 years old, and it's really the heart and soul of the city. There are restaurants and shopping and fantastic people watching in the square. At the heart of the Marienplatz sits Munich's new city hall, which is about a 150-year-old building with a famous Glockenspiel equipped clock tower. Now, this building's beautiful, but mind you, this place is incredibly overrated. People sit around all day waiting for this Glockenspiel to finally play. Adjacent to the Marienplatz is a place known as the Virtualienmarkt. It's a large open-air market with food stalls and cheese shops and bakeries, and of course, there are German beer gardens. There are also lots of tourist trinkets. I recommend avoiding the trinket shops. Act like a local, have some fun, do some eating, but don't buy the trinkets. The city of Munich is, of course, a very old city. It's over 800 years old. It is very hard to imagine walking around the city that about half of the city was damaged by Allied bombings during World War II. After the war, the city of Munich took great pride in putting their city back together. as authentically as possible, and that pride really shows. It's a beautiful city. It's a great place to spend some time. The city of Munich is known for its green belts. It's super protective of its green spaces. From the English Garden, which is one of the largest urban parks in the world, to the Eisbach River, which really bisects the city and has multiple walking and running paths alongside. It's a great place to get out, stretch your legs, and enjoy this beautiful city. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look at Munich. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, or leaving comments down below. I really appreciate that. I make regular videos, and I hope to see you again here real soon. Take care, bye-bye, have a great day.